Guys, it is time for an emergency update video here on the Bitcoin price because we are just about to break one of the most important last support levels that Bitcoin has, actually rejecting the bears from dumping the price all the way down to the $40,000 level. And this is because of our horizontal supports that Bitcoin formed by trading volume, here visible with the VPVR. As we can already see, Bitcoin was all the time in the last week trading within this VPVR horizontal support area. And now actually we are at the very bottom of it, and only a few bulls are holding us above here the $56,500 level actually. That is the level where pretty much all of this very important horizontal support ends, and the next, as you can already see, is only coming in here at the $40,000 level. And this is also the level where, when we first saw this massive dump to the downside, Bitcoin almost wicked down to. So I will now tell you exactly what the probabilities are of us breaking here to the downside, what I am expecting from the Bitcoin price within the next couple hours, days and weeks, and also how I am going to trade it. So guys, stick around till the very end. I'm very sure you don't want to miss out on any of this very important content. And for sure guys, make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and smash up a like, guys. Come on, let's reach 2,000 likes on today's video. If you're looking down below and we haven't reached them, guys, smash up a like. Let's push the YouTube algorithm so as many people see this emergency update as possible. But now let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts, as I already said. So on the daily chart, I already showed you a little bit now with the VPVR what kinds of problems we are facing, and also on the weekly time frame. I mean, you guys know it. I mean, I'm talking about this 11-year resistance here since December already, and telling you guys that this is one of the most, or this is pretty much the most important in December. I already told you guys at $21,000. Guys, please look at the 11-year resistance. As long as we are not breaking it, there's no way that Bitcoin has actually the potential even to see a massive pump or continue the bull market in a quick manner. And so far we only got rejected off this 11-year resistance like we have been in the past every single time. That's why it's an 11-year resistance, right? That even has never been broken to the upside. So on the weekly time frame and also on the daily time frame, it's actually not looking all too bullish. So on the smaller time frames, we now need a massive, very aggressive bullish reversal that we get the chance to transfer these extremely bearish looking weekly and daily timeframes into a bullish sentiment for the Bitcoin price. And the only chance that I'm actually seeing right now is that Bitcoin stays in this downwards trading channel. This downwards trading channel is actually the only thing that I'm looking out for at the moment. I'm not even going on smaller time frames, looking at the 1 hourly time frame, trying to spot maybe somewhat of a symmetrical triangle or anything like that, because everything on the smaller time frames is actually right now getting suppressed by the bearish outlook on the bigger time frames. So now we have to see a bullish reversal on the midterm, on the mid-ranges time frames, because otherwise there's no way a bullish reversal on the 1 hourly time frame with somewhat of a bullish reversal pattern will not be enough at all to flip the bearish looking weekly time frame. For this we actually need a massive breakout here, at least on the 12 hourly time frame, and there's actually the only pattern that could help us to achieve that at this moment. And this is the downward sloping, the downwards trading channel, as I just mentioned. When we are looking here at the Fibonacci retracement levels, we can already also see that there are no Fibonacci retracement levels near us. The most relevant Fibonacci retracement levels, speaking here about the 0.68, that is very far away, but also already about the 0.382 or the 0.5, both of them are far away from the current price. So as long as Bitcoin, I have to sadly tell you guys, as long as Bitcoin is not breaking above the $48,500 to $49,000 level pretty much, there is no reason to get bullish in this time. And there's also no reason to fear that you are going to miss out on anything at the moment, because the thing is that if we should break the $48,000 to $49,000 level, this is only a $2,000 to $3,000 pump from here. So yeah, for sure, you won't get the perfect entry price if we are reversing now already and Bitcoin never breaks the $46,500 level to the downside, which the Bitcoin price is actually live in this video right now retesting. But the thing is that I won't now execute any big trades or enter the market heavily, because as long as we are not breaking this resistance to the upside, there's actually no way that I'm going to turn bullish because, like I said, the bigger time frames are looking bearish. So this is the narrative we have to follow at this point in time. So guys, just keep an eye on the Bitcoin price. Just keep an eye on the $48,500 to $49,000 level. And as soon as we are breaking this to the upside, I will upload a video. I will tell you exactly what we have to look out for on the smaller time frames to find out if this breakout on the semi-big time frames is actually getting confirmed. And then we actually will enter new long positions and will prepare for a big price reversal here of the Bitcoin price. Because in the case that we are breaking here to the upside, Bitcoin finally gets the chance to complete here this possible, fairly ugly bump and run reversal that Bitcoin just is forming potentially right now, as long as we are not breaking the $46,500 level with a big with a big confirmation to the downside, right? Even if we're closing this 12-hourly candle to the downside, then I mean we would probably bounce off this downwards channel again. We would retest the $46,500 level again. In the best case, we're just breaking it back above it. If we then get rejected, okay, we are knowing it gets dangerous, but a confirmed breakout only happens if we, after the retest, break below the low point, which is actually at the $45,000 at the moment, and which would also be then the downward sloping support of this downwards trading channel. So if we see a price movement like this, yeah, then for sure, and we are breaking these two support levels, then for sure I'm getting very bearish. I think a dump down to $40,000 is then completely is almost impossible to not happen. And this is the reason why I won't jump into any massive long positions here or in any long positions at all till the Bitcoin price reverses here, at least on a semi-big time frame as the 12-hourly. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, activate the bell. I will keep you up to date on this potential breakout and also on this breakdown and if it's going to happen. And now, guys, make sure you go to the description. Follow VLaunch on Twitter, guys. VLaunch, the fastest project, the fastest growing project. I mean, I'm just reloading now during the video, another 100 followers gain. It's the fastest growing crypto project that there is in the space right now, maybe that there has ever been, and I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out on it, because tomorrow the free tokens, like I said, Chris from Crypto and I, we are working on this day and night, guys, and I have to say it's just that the feedback from the community is insane. We just made a free IDO allocation today for Rainmaker Games, and I mean, this IDO allocation at the current price is worth around, I don't know, $800,000 or something. So just $800,000 for free, just for people that are active on the social medias, that are not missing these opportunities. And yeah, tomorrow the biggest opportunity of them all is going to come for now, and this is going to be the whitelist for VLaunch, the project itself. And then, guys, we already have a lineup of incredible projects, some of them exclusive actually, that will launch here through VLaunch. And guys, there's no other way. It's impossible. It's impossible. No matter how much money you have, no matter sometimes how good you are connected in the crypto space, it's impossible to get in these private sales. And guys, the platform VLaunch, as Chris and I always said, this is a project for the community. And VLaunch will make it possible that you guys are going to actually participate in these highly sought after private sales, where then tokens are getting sold for a very low market cap before the token even lists on exchanges. And this results in a lot of projects that are launching through launchpads actually performing incredible and doing high access. So guys, make sure, like I said, go to the video description, follow VLaunch on Twitter, and then we are going to see us in the very next one tomorrow. Till then, bye.